Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something really excited to share with you. I have built a simple chat application for iOS using URLSession WebSocket and Node.js server. I will walk you through the project, show you the code and give you a live demo. So let's get started. First, let's take a quick look at what this chat app can do. I have named it Chatter App. I know the UI is not coolest, everything is looking green and green. Whatever, I am not a UI/UX designer. When you open the app, you start on the first page where you enter your name and join the chat room. Once inside, you can send and receive text messages in real time, share images, and even delete messages for everyone in the chat. Pretty cool, right? Now let's dive into the details of how it is built. Alright, let's start with the iOS app. I have used Swift and URLSession WebSocket for the client-side implementation. Here is the main code. In the view controller, we have the following setup. First, we have the initial UI setup method, which initializing the user interface when loading the chat page. Next is the show image picker method that simply shows the image picker to the user, and then we have connect WebSocket, which connects to the server and start receiving messages. Disconnect WebSocket method that handles disconnection from the server, and then send message method that is doing the heavy lifting. Here we send a JSON message to the WebSocket. You can see that I am generating a UUID to uniquely identify each message, which helps us to manage message deletion. And then send delete message method that is sending a notification to delete the message with the specific ID. Then we have receive message method, continuously receiving message from the server, and show receive message method displaying them. Then other methods are mostly UI related tasks. Our side, the server is built using Node.js with the WS library to handle WebSocket connections. Here's the code for the server. We start by requiring the WS library and creating a new WebSocket server that listens on port 8080. When a new client connects, we log a new client connected. Then for incoming messages, we log the messages and convert it into a string. It is a JSON that we are converting to string to print. Then broadcast this message to all other connected clients. This ensures that the sender does not receive their own message back. When a client disconnects, we log client disconnected. To run this server, you just need to use command node server.js. That's it. So let's run the code. Here I will start by entering a username and joining the chat room. Now I will send a message from the app, and you can see that the message is immediately displayed in the chat. This happens in real time thanks to WebSocket. Let's send an image now. Let's pick this image. We can add messages with the image also if you want. And if you long press the message, an action sheet will open up. Here you can copy the message into the clipboard, delete the message for yourself, or delete it for everyone. Okay, message is now removed from the chat, you can see. And that's it for today's video. We have built a simple but powerful real-time chat application using Swift for iOS and Node.js for server. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. You can find the full code for this project on my GitHub profile. The link is in the description below. Also, let me know in the comments If you have any questions or if there's something specific you would like to see next, thanks for watching.